Hello,
Hello,
Nana.
hello, Natalie. I'm happy to see you. How are you doing?
I'm happy to see you also, and I'm waiting for our meeting a half day. I was looking forward to our meeting.
Oh, okay. I was looking forward to see you too. Okay. So, is everything okay with your family? Is everything okay with Michael, your
Thank
son?
you so much. It's okay. It's and I'm waiting so much for us. Let's start. Let's start.
Let's start. Okay. So, what did we discuss last lesson? What did we discuss last lesson? Sorry. Mhm.
We discussed food idioms.
Yes. So, I know that you have remembered them practically really, really well. Yes, because you've used some of them in your sentences. And today we are going to cook in English.
Oh,
Yes, we're going to cook in English. So maybe in the nearest future you will make some recipes in English, in Russian and in English. So it will be also interesting for your blog. Okay. So let's start. But first of all, what do we need to cook? What do we need to cook firstly?
what do we need to cook?
Yes, what do we need to cook?
We cook food.
Yes, we need food. We need some.
What do we need?
Yeah.
We need frying frying pan. Yeah,
Yes, yes.
frying
We need
pan.
a frying pan. Yes.
Um,
Mm-hmm.
bowl,
Wow, yes,
knife,
right. Knife.
few
Spoon.
few knives,
Yes, of course. Yes,
few
yes, yes. A
knives.
good housewife always has a few, even not few, but a lot of knives. Yes. Okay. So
And
plates, right?
uh,
Plate.
plates, of course, plates, different
Yes.
plates, and bowl. It's a kind of plate. Yeah,
Yes, right. And we also need what? Saucepan. Yes, you have
saucepan.
saucepan. Yes,
Yeah,
frying pan and saucepan. So, and we of course need some
I know.
ingredients.
I know. Gridley. Is it correct? Gridley. It's
What?
like a frying pan. Gridley.
Gridley.
Griddle.
Gridley. Okay.
Griddle.
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 I have never heard about this word, but I will try to look through this word. Where did you get it, Nancy? Where did you
On the
get this word?
YouTube, one Russian woman, she prepare food and tell us in English.
Oh, okay, okay.
Drizzle,
So,
drizzle,
after the lesson, you will just text me
drizzle,
this word, okay?
griddle. Oh my god, griddle.
Okay, okay. Well, maybe it's a new word also for me. Okay, thank you. I will look through this word, okay? Well, and of course, we also need to cook some food, yes? And we need to know how to cook, right? We
How
need
to
to
cook?
know how to cook,
Mm-hmm.
okay? So, and there, some verbs help us. Yes, Natalie. So let's try to learn some new vocabulary. Maybe you have already know this vocabulary. Yes. So imagine the eggs. What do you do with the eggs when you want to beat them or when you want to fry them? What do you do?
We can beat them. Beat,
Here.
beat.
Uh huh.
It's broken,
Mhm.
broken eggs.
Oh, break. Yes.
Break,
Firstly, we
break.
break eggs and
Beat.
then we beat them.
Beat.
Yes.
Um,
So
we can
what else?
boil them.
Sorry, what?
Boil them
Boil, yes, right. I
and
agree with you.
fry.
Boil, yes, and fry, right. So we have some vegetables or fruit. What do we need to do with vegetables and fruit firstly?
We can peel them.
Yeah,
To
right,
peel
right.
banana, for example.
Yes,
To
to
peel
peel the.
banana.
Yes, I agree with you. So, when you cook, you need to measure everything. So when you measure, what do you do? When you measure everything, so measure amount of flour, amount of water,
Uh-huh. To wait.
Weigh, just weigh.
Weigh.
Yes, to
Wait.
without T.
Wait,
To
of
weigh.
course.
Yes, okay. So I have a knife. Yes, and a chopping board. What do I do with all my ingredients?
You cut and chop.
Yes, cut and chop. Yes, but if I have like small parts, how is it called? If I cut it with small parts, what is it? How is it called?
Slice.
Yes,
Do slice it.
Yes, sliced food. Okay.
Slice can be like a noun, yeah, like a verb. Slice of pizza, yeah.
Yeah, right. Slice of bread, slice of pizza. Why not? Yes. Well, naturally, the next word is we use a special device. It's called grater. What is the verb?
Grate.
Yes, right. It's easy. Yes. So, and when we fry without any oil, we
will roast.
Yes, right. So, when we add a little amount of something, some salt or some sugar, like a little amount of something.
We add, no?
We add, yes, probably yes, but when we add salt, for example, when we add salt, what verb do we use?
Pinch.
Yes, right, you are. It's called pinch. Yes, I agree with you.
All Recipes member Sharon Holt submitted this recipe for easy pancakes, and she commented, "This recipe doesn't require much thought early in the morning, and it tastes great. We love that, and from start to the plate, just 15 minutes." In a large bowl, mix a cup of all-purpose flour, with 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and a teaspoon of salt. Blend it all together and then make a well in the center. Pour in a cup of milk, 1 beaten egg, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix the batter until it's smooth. Now let's heat a griddle or frying pan over medium-high heat and lightly oil it. Pour or scoop the batter onto the griddle, using approximately a 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. When the edges are brown and small bubbles have formed in the center of the cakes, go ahead and flip them. Pancakes in the morning are always a perfect start to a great weekend. Enjoy!
I have watched the video about pancake. Today early morning we make a pancake with my son.
Oh, okay. So, did you like pancakes with cream or maybe congested milk or with jam? How do you like the pancakes?
I like pancake with honey and with fish.
Okay,
and with
honey.
sugar.
Okay. So, thank you. So, that's great. Well, and now, can you tell me, please, what ingredients are used for pancakes? What ingredients are used for cooking pancakes?
I know these ingredients. I can tell you.
Mhm,
Eggs, 2 eggs. You
mhm.
need 2 eggs.
Yeah.
You must, or you should. It's better to say
Mhm,
you should. Yeah.
mhm, mhm,
To break the eggs. Yeah.
mhm.
To break the
Yeah.
eggs.
Yeah.
To add milk, cup of
Yeah.
milk,
Mhm.
cup
Right.
of
Right.
water, and
Mhm.
to add 1 glass of flour.
Yes. Right. So, and then what do you do with all
Of
these?
course, we need to pinch sugar
Mhm.
and salt
Yes, right, sure. We need to pinch sugar and salt a little bit. Yes, a little bit.
a little.
Okay. So, and what do you do when you get all this mixture?
I fry on frying pan.
Yes.
Fry
Mm-hmm.
because
Yeah.
I use fry because I add oil on
Mm-hmm.
this
Mm-hmm. Yes,
frying
right.
pan.
Yes. Maybe firstly you spread all this mixture on on a frying pan and then you fry. Yes. You spread and then you
Yes.
fry. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Spread
Thank you.
spread
Mm-hmm.
butter. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Spread butter on frying pan.
Yes. Mm-hmm. Maybe you spread not butter but oil, yes?
Oil, of course.
Mm-hmm. Yes, right, you are.
But
So,
if you don't need oil at home, you can spread butter. Yeah.
yes, right. The same, right, practical, right. So, and then you fry these beautiful, tasty, round pancakes, and then how can you serve them?
Serve. I
Here.
serve them with
Mhm. Super. Uh-huh. With what?
with fruits,
Mm-hmm. Maybe with fruits and with
with
fish.
fish, with caviar.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
I can use honey,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Cream, yes, also.
cream, sauce cream. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Sour
Sour
cream,
cream, yes.
sour cream.
Mm-hmm. Sour cream. Okay, and well, my favorite pancakes are with congested milk. I love pancakes with congested milk.
Congested milk. I don't know
Yeah,
congested.
congested milk, it's milk which was, I don't know if it's correct to say boiled. When you got this milk boiled, do you
Mm,
understand it?
yeah, I understand
Yeah,
you.
it's so
I
tasty.
translated in Russian in my head.
Yes, okay. So it's so tasty, really tasty. Okay.
Do you
So,
like,
and by the
Leonardo? Do you like thin or thick pancake?
I like thin pancakes, I guess.
Yeah, like
hmm
me.
I would prefer, yes, I would prefer thin pancakes. Pancakes are my favorite dish, you know? That's why I choose the recipe of pancakes. And what is your favorite dish?
Oh, my favorite dish is Russian borscht.
Okay.
I can
So,
I can tell you the recipe of this borscht,
okay.
but
So
I
I would
think I am assuming you know this recipe.
I know, of course, I know, but you know, tastes differ. Yes, some people cook borscht in one way, the other people in different way. So, you can give me your own recipe, okay?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm,
You need for this recipe you need cabbage, of
mm-hmm,
course, potatoes, carrots, beets, yeah,
mm-hmm,
onion,
mm-hmm,
uh, sour cream,
mm-hmm. Yes.
meat if you want to eat with meat,
Mm-hmm.
and also in the end we add greenery.
Yes, right, sure. So, and how to cook borscht? I think it's not easy to cook, but it's time consuming. So, how to cook borscht?
To peel potatoes, carrots, and beets.
Mm-hmm.
Then you should cut them,
Mm-hmm.
and
Mm-hmm.
transfer to the pan. Yeah.
Yes,
Um,
right.
tuck, 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 tuck. Chop the
Chop.
cabbage.
Mm-hmm.
Chop the
Yes.
cabbage and transfer to pan.
Mm-hmm.
To add water,
Mm-hmm.
pinch salt, and
Mm-hmm.
herbs,
Mm-hmm.
herbs,
Some herbs, yes.
some
To
herbs.
taste. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Uh, cut the
Onion.
onion,
Mm-hmm.
fry to it,
Mm-hmm.
and
Maybe. Mm-hmm.
add to the pan of soup.
Yes, but don't forget that first of
Pan
all you
of
need
soup.
to boil some meat, yes?
Boil, of course. To boil. Uh, to boil the
Because
meat.
boiling meat is the longest process in all of this, I mean, in all of the process of cooking, yes?
Yeah, and in the end of the cooking,
Mhm.
we add sour cream
Yes,
and
right, right. We serve it with so
greenery.
greenery. Yes, right, you are. So, my father prefers to eat borscht with sour cream, but I don't eat it with sour cream. I eat it mostly with greenery only,
Greenery. And
or without
do you
anything. Yes.
do you use garlic or not?
Sometimes, sometimes I guess, not very often. But I think with garlic it's tastier. Yes, definitely. But mm, garlic is, I don't know. Of course, some dishes are tastier with garlic, but I wouldn't personally prefer it. I prefer some easy meals like fruit salad, vegetable salad, borscht. Yes, it's also tasty, but yeah. And I also like sweet things, but I'm trying to cut down on them.
Cut down.
Yes, remember this phrase because
Cut
next lesson
down.
will be devoted to some phrasal verbs. So bear it in mind, cut down, okay?
Cut down.
It means to eat something, okay?
Not cut, but cut down.
Yes, not cut, but cut down. So, okay, it will be a secret for our next lesson. And at the next lesson, you will know the meaning of this word, okay?
You should
Да, да, нам нужно в 7 утра проводить уроки. We have to
да,
take lessons down.